friendship to run. Lion and Lioness viewers and subscribers, you are heaven sent. You are the reason I am vlogging again.
Listen up, a Phoenix the realest. Lionfoot TV. Badness the thing gone straight to the pile of the badness, the months and years. Boom! Boom! Phoenix the realest. Got it.
Yeah. I'm here to West represent for Lionfoot, TV, I hear me beer energy, I'm here to my boss go and pick up myself, look, I don't know, so Lionfoot, I hear me. I saw the things, my boss, I hear me worldwide.
Yeah. So, what you know is Iron Kingdom, a big up Lionfoot TV, because them things say it's some Lionfoot TV, and next thing you want to go sit on the DVD and them TV, but make sure say uno see we when uno pre we at some Lionfoot TV.
Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Health over wealth, and your health is your wealth. So make sure to take care of it. Eat right, drink right, think right. See, and remember, gratitude is a must. See, simplicity we used to survive. See, humble over hype. See, so now, my viewers and subscribers, we have some performance going from some artists at Jamaica right now. We are looking to breakthrough, need some highlights. And that is what Lionfoot platform is here for, to help and encourage and push. See, the struggles that we been through in the music and the support that we don't get in the music, the platform there for support the artists, them who need it, big and small, doesn't matter. From me can do it, me I do it. And if you want to give me something, give me something, but me not ask me nothing. But respect and gratitude. See? So before I start, I don't know, big up the whole rock hall, big up Above Rocks, Zine, Hilltop Badness, JNR, big up yourself for your look. Zine, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. That's what I say, and I hope all is well. Yeah man. If you consider doing so, click the bell, see? And give thanks to the support, the inactive ones and the ones who not interact. Big up the lovers and the haters. Big up the supporters and the critics, because the more them criticize Lionfoot channel, and the more the channel will grow. And they don't know, all of my active fans who me communicate with in the comment section, big up on yourself. Uno matters, and uno make me do this every day, see? Also help push my music. So no matter where them try and talk and discourage and who now watch the channel and this and that, big up on yourself the same way, see? So now before I start my viewers and subscribers, make me see some performance from them artists. I want to give a big shout out to Sonia Johnson and Mr. Logical Boy, And so yeah, big up yourself, brother. And also Des Budgeberg. See? Yeah man. Big up on yourself and give thanks for the uplifting and the encouraging comments and advice. And I promise. Yeah man, done man. If you done man, I don't know. I gratitude yourself. Bad attitude, but sometimes when people want to make you look like the bad one, when them done abuse you and disrespect you, you have to come out and talk and make them. And don't sit back and make it look like say, you are the bad person. I was provoked. Zine? Yeah. So, as me said, done. Zine? So, Hilltop Badness. Them three artists are named Iron Kingdom, Zine, Phoenix, Zine, and Wiswas. Zine, Hilltop Badness, Above Rocks, Rockall. So, I say, first, I've never, well, them are underground artists, nobody know about them. See, not in a disrespectful way, but they're also a farmer, so big up all of the farmers them, see? Big up all of the farmers them and the 14 parishes of Jamaica. Stay focused and keep doing the farming, no matter how small it is and how rough it is. Keep doing the farming, because the farming is the way, see? So no long chatting with viewers and subscribers, more to watch them performance, yeah? And the man them are freestyling up, you see me? Remember them a farmer. Zine? Alright. So you don't know. Big up on yourself.
Next night I come wake up early this morning and I'm looking at PFIC. Pull up. Brothers, pull up. Hey, hold on now. Tell them about the girl called the eye cool, just like a cool eye cool. I see where the eye cool. Me running at the shop, me order a cool eye cool, check my chain. Save that me right. Me know no guy can't call eye fool because of park road. Me go you. That if you know school and fast school and slow school and low school and this a God pops it. I'm passing the high school. So high school and my school, but the way me love my school. Alright, then so me tell you about an exclusive boy, me tell you about Nicolette and an school from a little and I grow. Me a gamble and a best school, now me taking them from the basic to an school, the prep school, alright? 13, you know, 14, 14, 15, them at this Phyllis. Big man of 42 years old, look well and 13. In the back, all working and can't come back working. Yeah, man. Wait, hold on there. Hey, yo. Keep. Me living in them. Can't live in my scheme and one time me a dream. Alright. Me a go out, but me now go pan Satan campaign. Tell you the truth, me run a Satan champagne. Me have cane, so me no want to juice out a Satan cane. Blood me no want out a Satan vein lane. Me live but on a Satan lane. And one time me a claim, not for Satan, and the king I go claim, cause for Satan me wild. For Jesus me tame, and the king and me name and no Satan. Alright, that's all I bless. So about a Satan lane, cause for Satan lane, me take a walk up and me name. Hold on. No. Yeah.
Fine lyrics now. Fine lyrics now. Lyrics now.
Shots out.
That one and him, much more than that man I suffer, yeah. What it more than, much more than, not more than that. Because enough man last, they can't say them can't put a laugh. Man I suffer well more than that. Because enough time and no money, I'm want to cook a pot, man I suffer well more than that. Some say they want to be like, oh, some can't buy the block. Man I suffer more than that. You know what man want to be like, oh, some can't find the spot. Man, I suffer more than that. I suffer it hard, but me not give up not at all. But your name know me one call, then king dog one fall. Cause some say them tough like black all. Well, them a go crumble like malt. Yeah, never you give up no time because them can't stop the sun or the moon from shine. Mountains cry, island come on me have to climb. When me say, well, everything is a matter of time. They say if you want the worst, come and say, oh God bless, no man curse. Man, I'm gonna follow them and see about the first. That's why I say the king but put myself first. Look, man, last year I said them can't pull it up. Man, I suffer more than that. You know what time when me have no money, I'm going to cook a pot. Man, I suffer more than that. Them people not voice. The people is a signal voice. And people I don't know voice. They got the Munga voice. People Jack your voice. And I don't care if I duplicate my style. People time to black voice. And people not voice. And people alcohol. Go the music night. Them this how we not got now that time. They bought a tea popcorn voice. Them see the big voice again from berries. A man tea for certain voice. The entire master. No man. They can probably get them from rock hard to ready. But we still so we not big up. No man. Before the big white and now from now. Before the big white and now. Before the big white and now from now. Before the 1 year white from Gadiga there. Before the big grubby white from Shaggy go prison negative.
I don't pick up my style, support him child. We want to get spoiled, but put him on the side, but because he temperature it's a boil. When I get up and preach and over ease it reach them. Now for someone let's read somebody style in a bleach and shape it around like a peach, but I still see him say I the when wickedness increase, me run out of the grease. When I did I can't get no sleep, the bout upon them knees and I'll beg for please. Me gun did already sneeze.
So, me a DJ, them a tell me to stop chat. Me to stop chat, tell them about my laptop. Later me and the girl them drive out in on my drop top. When they because they carry me way up in the hilltop and show me the brand new SL6. Me tell him, enough time me chat, me tune, me say him get panic and say what make. Because me listen to my own chronics, me born my own chronic, me listen to me. Alright, DJ and my friend, yo, so them sing like Titanic and them girl are telling me say, I in a me more than water in the hygienic. Them DJ then sing and give me tune, me like a bus like I don't. So when me call in the Magnum, and me pop off my Magnum, somebody say, pull it! That mean me have enough shot my gun. DJ one class me in a Magnum, but as them step off a campaign and just drop down, then we will talk too tough line it, and I'll let a big shot them done. So quickly give them, doesn't Magnum, me go shot them down. In the deepest dungeon, me carry them, me go drop them down. The lyrics not clean or straight. Penitentiary, me carry them, me go lock them down. But I give them the credit for the eye cool.
Alright, now a badness, the thing gone straight, still a pile up the body, see blood clot fake. Cause them soft like crutches, me know them a bait you have caused no damage.
Yeah.
Right now, badness, the thing gone straight, still a pile up the body, see blood clot fake. Cause them cause like, when know them a bait you have caused no damage. Yo, empty me life, them a chat. But and a some kill bill is a dagger and a fat Glock 17 pill. Boom! Something we spin like the city windmill. Then no bad like the air from me chinny, chin chin. No, but it carry like a Chevy engine. Blood a splash, man a dash like them study sprinting. Running a cash, but you better. Cause I be a butterfly when Pinelli starts singing. Cause a badness we think God shapes in the pilot. Hold on. Third verse. 14 kick from the 14 clip. Pussy sip all a tip like a protein mix. Even your fuck. Graphic district. Fire stick with the scope. If you're frozen stiff. It's hard to resist. Me born for the disc. Bars full of flow. Your graphic music. We start any show. Well equipped few. All my friends just have find out me. Blood clot sick. Cause a badness.
Just a find out.
Alright, you want me now, no? You see that girl there we are pre from a long time, where we not see from a long time. Yo, even though we never get to say we want to say to her, but my talk about man shy, but that a one time, that a long time. Anytime that girl they pass through and with her, we are going to drop her. When we look girl in a tights, mini skirt and frock. Anytime that girl they pass through and with her, alright. Tell the girl, say me, I tell her, say me, I put my mouth on the part of my glass where she put her lips part. Then we got to show me her hip part. When she show me the hip part, the zip part, I just say, here, DJ have to chop lyrics fast. The people must say, DJ, you know you have a smart man? We voice a tune, we play on the chart. One flash around me and Jabba drink that are fast. See the girl, when they trust on the street and when they get on the road. Pull up!
Are you entertained? Yo, the artists them bad. Come let me forget send them a rhythm and try voice them and get them out there, you know? Yeah man, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Who wanna rate or who think of the baddest. I don't know competition thing, it's just a vibes. Zine? It's just a vibes, yeah. So yeah man, big up yourself. Big up Wiswas, big up King Dan, the Ras, and big up Phoenix. Zine, I don't know if them have Instagram channel or what. Or I could have tell if you go follow them, but next time we'll make you know still. See? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for your support. I highly appreciate it. See? Yeah man. Not another word out of my mouth. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone. Walk good. I'm out. God bless you.